In a land where mountains whispered secrets, a wise old owl named Orin discovered a magical crystal. This crystal could predict when the earth would tremble. Orin shared this gift with the forest creatures, teaching them to listen and prepare. One day, a mischievous fox, eager to prove his cleverness, ignored the crystal's warning. As the ground shook, the fox realized the importance of humility and teamwork. From then on, the animals worked together, respecting the crystal's wisdom. The twist? The crystal was a gift from the earth itself, reminding all to live in harmony.